Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to open a file in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. Well, as you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application here. I've currently signed in into my freshly created brand new profile. Which I've created only for these videos. But let's say I want to open a file that is not in the Google Sheets currently, but I'll have it on my phone. How can I do that? Well, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on that little folder button in the top right corner of your screen. It's right next to your um, profile icon. Click on that, and here you can open a file from your drive or that is shared with you or of its start. So yeah guys, you can choose from here. Just have to click. I don't have any here because, as I said, this account is brand new, but if you have any here on your phone, they will appear here. You just have to click on those and they will automatically open a file in the Google Sheets. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.